In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can recover your deleted playlists on Spotify. Recovering deleted playlists on Spotify is crucial because they hold sentimental value, save time and effort in recreating them, help maintain an organized music library, preserve personalized preferences, and ensure continued enjoyment and sharing with others. So, in case you accidentally deleted your playlist, simply head into your Spotify account on any browser. It can be your Safari or any other browser of your own choice. Tap on Account Overview. On your home page, you will see this option of Recover Playlist. Head into it. You will see all your deleted playlists. Just long hold on any and select Recover to get back to your Spotify account in the app. That's how easy it is to recover your deleted playlists on Spotify. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.